Now we're making the flowers for the vase. I'm gonna cut the wire in half because it's too long. So I use a wire cutter. And to it, I'm gonna glue a flower with a hot glue. And just put a little, and it's gonna stick like this. And it's nice to put different colors. Either you can put either the hot glue either on the stem or on the flower. It doesn't matter. Both ways it's gonna stick. Let's take a red one. And maybe a purple. And a white. That's going to be enough. And now we need to put it inside the vase. So before we do that, I'm going to put the Play-Doh inside. I'm going to just play with it a little bit to make it go inside. You can see. And just pull it. And now I'm going to put the flowers, just stick them, pin them in. All the flowers should face you, plus the name should face you. You can see, just putting them around. And here we go.